Ready to upgrade your hair care routine and achieve salon-worthy locks at home? Dive into the top hair care must-haves of the year. Have you ever dreamed of frizz-free, shiny hair no matter the weather? Look no further than Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This award-winning anti-frizz spray will keep your hair looking sleek and polished, even in the most humid conditions. Next, nourish and strengthen your scalp and strands with Meal Organics, Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Perfect for all hair types, this luxurious oil blend promotes healthy hair growth and leaves your scalp feeling invigorated. And for added hydration and manageability, try Monday Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This lightweight formula provides all-day moisture and helps detangle and soften your locks, leaving them silky smooth and ready to style. Elevate your hair care game with these must-have essentials, guaranteed to give you the hair of your dreams. Check the links below in the description box.